If you avail the Exhibitor package, we make sure you get the value for your money. This will be the view of the applicants when they visit www.magnusjobfair.com. Our system is accessible even in mobile phone browsers. For better view, use the desktop site. Sign into your account. Then click on the Virtual Events tab. Select the season you would like to register to. Then click Register. Provide your present address. Then click Submit. It will now say that you have successfully registered to this event. This is the main hall of our virtual event. This will be open to all applicants 1 week before the event and 24/7 during the event date. Participating companies can access this during the virtual event date. This will give the applicant preparation for their application and they can apply in advance. There are 3 rotating banners at the main hall. And here's the assigned area for the exhibitors. Exhibitors can purchase the event hall banner separately. Just ask your handler how. When a recruiter messages the applicant outside the virtual room of the company, your message will be shown at the lower left portion of the event hall. This is the location for the major sponsor package, the minor sponsor package, and the exhibitor package. Exhibitor package will get logo exposure and their company name listed. Another highlight of our virtual job fair is knowing when each other is online. Both applicants and employers will have visibility if they are online or offline. The online status will change automatically to recruiter is in or the recruiter is out. The applicant can click enter to go inside the virtual room. Let's enter the virtual control room. Sign into access.magnusjobfair.com. To enter the control room, go to the summary of projects. Choose the event you would like to view, then click view to enter. At the upper portion of the virtual event registration access, your chosen preferred package for exhibitor are indicated here. Let me show you the middle section of the control room. This is the location where you need to complete the details for applicants to see. Here you will find the company's information such as the company logo, company name, office address, your website. There are 2 external links. If you have an external link that you like to share to your applicant, you can add the link and it will be visible at the recruiter user's virtual room. This can be your workday, online forms, website, or video call link. You can upload up to 3 files for the applicant to download. If you have any documents that you need to share to the applicants, you can upload it here and applicant can download, fill it up, and upload the accomplished file. There is also an automatic chat generic greeting. This is used for creating a generic greeting for all recruiter users. It is best to avoid using the personal name of the recruiter. The generic chat is the first message that the applicant will receive. Do not forget to save your file. Now you must add your job vacancies. Job vacancies here are unlimited. First, click the Add button. A pop-up will appear, and you will need to accomplish the needed data. Input the job title, vacancies, job description, qualifications, compensation, and benefits. Make sure to tick the box to ensure the job vacancy is open. Then click Save. The applicant can easily pick the job title they are interested in, but the recruiter still has the final say as to what position the applicant is suited for. When the details are all complete, make sure to add your recruiter who will use the system so they can access the virtual room. As an exhibitor sponsor, you will have 3 to 5 company user recruiters to access the virtual room simultaneously. The main contact person can start to add the user using the menu Company Details section. Click the Add button at the Directory Summary section. Then complete the details needed. Once completed, notify the handler so we can activate their access. They will receive an email notification to reset their password, and they can now log in using access.magnusjobfair.com. Now that the recruiters already have access, let's go inside the virtual event exhibit room. Go to the Project Summary tab and click View. At the lower portion of the page, click Enter Virtual Room. This is where you will process your applicants. This is a dedicated room for the company to see the list of applications and applicant details. The client can access this room during the duration of the event, and even after the event, it will not be closed. Here you will see the event details and other information, expert FAQ in CSV format. The green button beside the name of the applicant marks that the applicant is online and inside the virtual event. To receive the applicant, simply click Admit Applicant. The recruiter has control on activating chat box, and the chat box will be visible to the applicant. The first message that they will receive is the generic message that you created in the control room. Once the applicant is admitted by the user will have view of the exchanged messages. You can view or download the applicant's resume in PDF, and you can also extract list of applications in CVS file. You can view the preferred position of the applicant and know if the applicant was a former employee or recently applied. If you need to share external link to the applicant, you can copy and paste it to the chat box. You will have full control when to share the files and view uploaded files to the applicants. You can upload a maximum of 3 files. If you have any documents that you need to share to the applicants, you can upload it here and the applicant can download, fill it up, and accomplish the file. The applicant record progress. Here the user can tag the applicant if waiting, ongoing, or done. This will be visible to the applicant side. Process of application. This is a free text area for recruiters to indicate the current or next process of the applicant. You can simply put a note or a name of the recruiter assigned to interview the applicants. The final status is where the user can tag the applicant if they are on process, not qualified, shortlisted, failed, passed, or hired. The date hired. This will only be visible to the applicant if the final status was tagged as hired. Recruiter's remarks. Consider this as your notepad to indicate your remarks regarding the applicant. The applicant's record progress, final status, and date hired will be visible to the applicants. All employers who availed all our season's packages, you will have 1 week virtual job fair access 24/7. Event room access will close after 1 year from the date of the event. Disclaimer: if the applicant came from outside the virtual room and did not pass or does not want to apply for the position of the company, we cannot force the applicant to register. Statistical data can be shared, but the details of the applicants cannot due to data privacy. Get the Exhibitor package of 1 week job fair virtual to your 24/7 event. It's not just a virtual event. Magnus Job Fair will be there for you, and we will make sure that you get value for your money. Talk to your client handler now.
Basta job fair, Magnus Eventos yan!